Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renee and this is my 3-month lock update. So let's talk really quickly about what's been going on with my hair during the month of March. Honestly, nothing at all. Well, that's not true. I wouldn't say nothing, but really not any huge big changes. The biggest thing that I'm noticing that's been happening this month is my hair is starting to bud, but it's only happening at the roots of my hair. It's like that weird section where it's between the new growth and the start of the twist. That's where most of the buds are appearing, but they're not appearing anywhere else on my locks or my twist. I still have this 2-strand twist pattern. I feel like that's gonna be there for a while. I'm actually starting to suspect that it's probably gonna take maybe over a year for that pattern to disappear. And you know what? I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna rush this lock set, so it is what it is. Other things that I'm noticing is my hair just feels stronger. And I know that's kind of weird to say, but for someone like myself who's been dealing with unhealthy hair for a very long time, it's exciting to see that my hair is growing in again, nice and thick, nice and strong, super disrespectful as she should be. I friggin' love it. My roots are back to their old selves. They're nice and puffy, they're hard to control. That's where I want them to be. And I want that throughout the entire lock. You know, I want that thickness, you know, that strength. So my focus, like it's been from the beginning of this journey, is to focus on the health of my hair and not so much the length. Definitely want the length, but you know, it's not really worth it if your hair isn't healthy. So the things I've been focusing on is consuming more water, consuming more nutritious food, because at the end of the day, the products don't really mean anything if you're not taking care of your body, right? I am in that awkward stage where it is difficult for me to style my hair. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what to do with it because it doesn't want to really go into anything or do anything without me having to tug and pull at it. And I don't like forcing my hair into styles because I end up getting a headache later. And I do not believe in beauty is pain. I'm sorry, I'm not putting myself through pain just to have a cute hairstyle. I'm not gonna do it. So what I did today, I'm coining it the fox undercut. And I don't know, does that exist? Does somebody already make that? I don't know. But anyway, I'm calling it a fox undercut only because it's not a real undercut and it'll be quite obvious when I show you guys. So what I did was I just twisted up the back, kind of brought it together and then kind of tucked it into itself. There is a bobby pin holding it in place because, like I said, my hair, it needs a little help getting into a style, but the bobby pin is not in there like stuck in there hard and it's not pulling anything. I still feel comfortable. I don't feel like any strands of my hair is being tugged at, and that's the best thing I can do for my hair because I know my hair and it will start breaking and just going wild on me if I try to force it into something that it just doesn't want to do that day. I did have to mist it a little bit to get it to swoop over like this, but then once, like I just, and then I used like a cap, not a cap, but like a satin scarf and just kind of tied it in place. And then now it's kind of like that, but I like it. You know, it's something. I'm about to head out to the gym. This is a great gym hairstyle. And if you want it to make it a little more professional, or like if you're going on a date, you can definitely bedazzle it with some jewelry, or you know, make the back a little bit neater than what I have it. You know, play around with it. This is that stage where it's good to play around and really get to know your hair. Honestly, any stage that your hair in is really a good time for you to play around with it and get to know it. But for me, this is a good time because I feel like, I don't know what happened to my creativity, guys. I'm pretty sure I said this before, but I feel like that creative bug I had when I was younger is gone. I don't know what happened to that girl. So I don't know, maybe it's just me finally being done with school and building my new career. Maybe it's just me rediscovering myself and hobbies all over again. Doing my hair, doing my nails is something that I've always loved doing. And now I'm just like getting back into the swing of things. But she's in the awkward stage, so there's really not much that I feel like I can do with her without really pulling at my roots. And like I said, beauty is not pain. I'm not willing to do that. So this is what I came up with. Try it out. Maybe you might like it. Maybe you can make it look even cuter. I don't know. But anyway, that's my 3-month lock update, y'all. Like I said, there's really not much going on with my hair, except for I feel like it is just, it's getting healthier, it's getting stronger. And I really, at this point, I couldn't ask for more for my hair because I've put my hair through so much over the years that I feel like it finally being in a place where I'm like, okay, it's happy with what I am doing to it. So that is really all I could ask for. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And, you know, be safe out there because, you know, this world's getting crazier. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.